Seasoft, and I'm here with Richie and his assistant, Kat, is it?
Yeah.
And well, while she's getting high on glue for some reason, Richie's going to tell us a little bit about what, dry suits?
Well, I can tell you something about the dry suit, what we're working with today and stuff. You know, This is our Dynahide material. This is a 3mm suit that I'm putting together right now. It's
Dino hide.
Dynahide.
You got that off of the hide of a dino.
Yeah, somebody did.
Wow. Okay.
So the 3mm, it's an excellent suit. You know, a lot of guys, they'll dive this and stuff for cave diving and stuff like that, or deep dives. And then the 5mm, the only difference is if they get cold diving. A lot of people complain they get a little warm in our 5mm. So,
yes.
You know,
yeah, especially if you're tropical,
right.
where a 3mm is just perfect.
So we do custom suits, you know, to fit the person and everything.
So we got all these parts,
right?
And then you put them together like a big puzzle.
Right. This is a pattern suit that I cut out in large.
Okay.
Right now, we got to put 2 layers of glue all the way around. These are our neck and wrist seals. And then after that dries a little bit, I'll go back and put the 3rd layer. We'll start putting it together.
Oh, okay.
You know, we'll get the wrist and the neck seals on arms, and it'll start taking shape. It's all the prep work that takes time and stuff.
So how many hours does it take to make a suit like this?
I usually tell you the honest, I could 2 days, you know, complete because of dry time and everything. We gotta let them hang actually for 3 days.
You probably have several that you're going on all at the same time.
This is hard for me to work in here because I got 5 or 6 benches at the
Plus,
shop.
you probably have better ventilation at the shop too.
Oh yeah, most definitely. You can see I got a fan going back.
Yeah, okay.
And I have to be careful because I'm working around it enough. I don't even smell it anymore. It's the other people like.
Well, that's cool. So they can order a suit custom made from you guys, or they can get one off the rack through one of your representatives of Seasoft products.
Sure.
Okay.
And like I said, we'll custom measure them and everything, or we'll send out the measurement form to them, and they can go down and measure themselves. So
if they want more information, they either go to a shop, or can they go to you direct, or how does that work?
Well, they can get a hold of us at Seasoft Scuba.
Seasoft Scuba.
Phone number 253-939-5510, and you can talk to me, Dave Ritchie, or Bruce Justin, and we'll hook you right up. If you're local, we can get you into the shop. If you're not, we'll
local meaning Washington State.
Yeah, Washington, excuse me. Yeah, we're in Olympia.
Because this will be shown 3,000 years from now in Paris.
Oh, wow.
You know how YouTube's
I'm finally making Paris.
All right. Thank you very much, Richie.
Yeah,
Kat.
Thank you.
Sometimes I get unlucky.
Mike Hughes here. I'm over at Sea Life. Richie's just going to attach an arm, I think, on the dry suit here.
This is a neck seal.
Oh, yeah, that's close to an arm, right?
Okay.
They look so similar.
So we've already put a couple layers of glue on the seams, let it dry and stuff. I like putting the neck seal in before anything else because I can work it flat and everything. So I put on a layer of glue on here.
There is an art.
There is a little bit of art, or is it just making it easier on yourself? That's what I think. And when you get this glue just right,
Kind of touchy, isn't it?
oh, it is, to make a nice looking neck seal and to work. See, that glue's just starting, it's not quite ready yet.
So you can kind of feel when it's ready and when it's sticking.
Oh yeah, it'll start.
And so you're just slowly working it all the way around.
Right. And I try to work this top edge first.
That's cool. If that was me, it would be, and then I'm going to tear it apart and put it the right way, side up.
Well, I've kind of evolved on this stuff. You want to hand me a bag? This is my tool of life right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you have to wait for it.
Right.
Wow.
When you get that glue just right, it just melts in there nice.
You make it look so easy.
I need a little bit of toluene, please. So when we do get a little bit stuck, use this solvent here to unstick that. got to stretch. You're always constantly stretching the material so you can get it to fit nice, so you don't end up with wrinkles. You don't want wrinkles. And that's that. We'll let that.
Look at that.
Let that sit there for a few minutes.
You made that look way too easy.
He does, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So next thing I can do.
How many of you think you've made all over the years?
Probably made, what, 100 suits now? Yeah,
Cool.
100. Lots of repairs.
Yeah.
You know, that's where I probably learned most, is on repairs when other guys have failed, and how to look at our suits in a different way and stuff, and how to implement different things a little better. So, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I'm really trying, you know.
Cool.
Yeah, so. Arm. You got an arm ready?
Well, I'll let you continue on with this.
Okay.
And thank you for your time.
All right.
Now we're at day 2 of the Scuba and H2O Adventures dive show in Tacoma. And as you can see, we've got legs that are already cylindrical and ready to go, fit onto the main suit. And our neck seal is completely dried now. And we have arms on it too. And right now we're gluing over here, and we're getting ready to put a zipper in place. So you just take a piece of material, put the zipper on it, and
we build this up as a glue pattern. We build this up, and then I have this.
Oh, there's already a hole in it?
Yeah, I have that cut out so we can pull that out. And then what we do is we glue the zipper. We have to build this up so it builds up real nice and tight with glue through the fabric. We do the same with the zipper. And then I'll flip this, we'll put this in here, cut it all around, and then I got this 80-pound steel bar here that we put on the zipper panel itself, so to secure the zipper down, we let it sit for, a couple, 3 hours, and then that'll be the back panel of this suit right here.
Right, going on the whole back.
Right, so this will extend the arms out, and that back panel will sit right in here.
Oh, cool. You got it all measured and ready to go.
Ready to go.
It's an intricate puzzle, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, well, thank you for the update. Figure. Mike Hughes here. I'm back at Sea Life, and we're looking at the suit. Now we've got legs and on the torso, and we've got the arms and the neck seal. And Richie, you're getting...
So, we also got the zipper panel in place.
Glued on.
So you can see both sides. And this will actually, when we attach this here, by the time you come back next time, we'll have it attached. This will make you into your arms.
Okay. And then all we have is the cuffs for the bottom or the feet?
Boots. Probably do the boots very last, but we'll show you. We're going to turn the suit inside out. We don't use tape and stuff. We glue the inside of our seams on the inside of the suit, so you'll be able to notice that too.
Okay, is it the same kind of glue or different glue for that segment?
It's a little different glue. But what it does is it makes where we have our seam that's like this, and the glue that's in there. What it does is it reactivates this glue here, heats it up. So on the inside of your suit, we got about an 1.5 inch gap of suit like this. So you're actually making a T-weld like this.
Got it.
And then you got your stitching on the outside, which we don't have our machine here, to do that. But
right.
So we're also waterproofing on the inside.
Cool.
So.
Okay, well, in case I don't get back for that, at least we got all the basics for how to get high on your glued suit.
Right, custom.
Custom. Yeah, right. Thank you, Richie.
Thank you.
So now we've got this part all hooked together.
We got this front, which makes the arms and everything. Got the zipper opened up.
That's what we're going to crawl in.
We'll flip this over. And this is where it starts coming to shape. This will glue into here, which makes our arms. We'll get this all glued in here in a minute. I'm just ready to start gluing this here just in a second here. I gotta wait for the glue to tack up. This will make our arms and everything.
Right.
And then we'll put our seals and stuff on.
So this is a good example of how we're doing it, but we should tell the folks at home that this is an example and that you're practically going to rip this apart and redo it all over, because in real life, you like to spend a lot more time drying your glues and stuff before you put them together.
Oh, yes. It takes 3 days for a suit to cure.
Yeah, so we're showing it speeded up at the show, but in actuality, it takes a little more time, and it's even more handcrafted than
Absolutely.
we see.
You know, instead of working on one suit, I'm working on 6 or 7 suits at a time, you know, during the day.
Yeah.
They're all through a process. We got them hanging up on racks. And yeah, it's just it's a total process.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
All right.